morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng chicken in Sprite. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Okay ka-friendship, here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 1/2 kilo na chicken, marinated na siya. Isang pirasong patatas, isang pirasong carrot. Meron tayo ditong isang pirasong kamatis, isang pirasong sibuyas, 6 cloves garlic, 1 tablespoon na butter. Meron tayo ditong oyster sauce, cooking oil, Sprite, and of course, salt and pepper. Okay ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Friendship, sa isang preheated na pan, maglalagay tayo ng cooking oil. Ayan. And then after that, ilagay natin yung ating chicken. Ipiprito lang muna natin sila ka-friendship. Ayan, ipiprito natin ang ating chicken hanggang sa maging golden brown. Ang bango niya ka-friendship. So, ayan ka-friendship, hayaan na lang muna natin sila dyan hanggang sa maging golden brown yung ating chicken. Pwede na natin idagdag yung ating Sprite. So, ayan. Pakuluan na lang muna natin siya dyan ka-friendship hanggang maluto yung ating chicken. So, balikan natin siya later. Okay, at this point ka-friendship, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating carrots saka yung ating patatas. Ayan, pakuluan na lang muna natin siya dyan ulit ka-friendship hanggang sa maluto yung ating carrot at saka yung ating patatas. Balikan natin siya later. Okay, at this point ka-friendship, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating oyster sauce. So, lagyan natin ng kunting sabaw o tirhan natin ng kunting sabaw kasi mas gusto ng mga anak ko o yung sabaw. So, ayan ka-friendship, luto na yung ating chicken in Sprite. Ready for serving na siya. Friendship, ito na po yung ating finished product, yung ating chicken in Sprite. So, ayan na po siya ka-friendship. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating chicken in Sprite for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Toto Mira at your service. Always remember that when life changes to be harder, change yourself to be stronger. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!